Welcome back to Unboxed. In today's short video, I have another awesome product for all you 24 and up Toyota Tacoma owners. What we have here is the TRD Pro Grille, and as you guys can see here, it features the heritage design on the Toyota lettering, which comes in a nice silver finish. The grille itself comes in a nice high gloss black finish, which just looks really killer. All these grills do come with a provision for a front-facing LED light bar. The Toyota OEM light bars will not be available for quite some time, probably a few months to probably over a year. On the aftermarket, we are going to have some options for you really soon. Also, all of these grills come with a provision for a front-facing camera, so if your truck does not come with a front-facing camera, this will be left blank, so you'll have a nice little hole right there. If your truck does come with a front-facing camera, you will have to transfer your camera over here. We will have brackets available for these really soon. Until then, if you can't wait, you can just kind of mock up your own little bracket with some sheet metal or use some double-sided sticky tape to get it to stay in there. Either way, it will work. Anyway, that's a really quick overview on this grill. This is going to be a completely bolt-on installation. Give yourself about an hour for the install on this. Super simple. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this TRD Pro Grill. You're gonna be running this one. You're gonna keep your current one or the Trail Hunter one. That's all the time I've got for you guys today. Until next time, stay safe and we'll see you.